So many people have been getting this error message while they are trying to generate videos using VEO3 and using their face. Let me show you an example. So this is one of my account that I am using for VEO3, and if I am going to try it to import my own photo inside it, and I'm using it from EU region, but my account is also from Bangladesh. So as you can see, this is the problem. We do not allow uploads of photorealistic people in your country or territory at this moment. But what I'm doing, as you can see, I have already connected to a US VPN. Still this is not working, but there is a solution that is now working for this problem, and I'm going to show you. So as you can see, I'm connected to my VPN. So right now what I am getting this problem solution is that the VPN is not the main problem. You have to have VPN, but other than VPN, Google is taking data from your account that link to your account. So let's say inside my Google account I have my address to set to any EU country. Let's say I am living in Italy, so in Italy or other EU region, or maybe from Bangladesh or India. In that case, Google will get the data and check if you are from in those country, not from US. So if you only have the VPN connected, it will not work. Let me show you another account that I have, and I have the same account. I'm not cutting the video or anything. I'm just going to the same other account. So I'm using it inside this account. So you can see this is another account, and here I can import the same photo. If I just go to photo and frame, upload it, click on upload, and then go right here, select the photo and click import, and then let me show you how it works. So as you can see, I am using the same PC with the same server, everything is the same thing, but still I can import the photo here, photorealistic photo here. So by this way you can change how your account act from Google. So the main thing is you have to change the location completely, not only the VPN. You have to change the card that you are using inside your account, the details of your account and everything. So this account that I'm using for VEO3, this is everything from US. When I sign up, I give the sign up location in US, then I also use the US location and everything, address, and also I paid using a US card. You can buy a virtual card or anything else. So for me this is working right now. So if you are facing problem that you cannot upload a face inside your VEO3, you can follow my this process. As you can see here, I cannot upload any face inside this one. So if you want to upload your face and make videos using VEO3, so you have to make the account directly from US location or the approved country location, then connect a VPN, and then you can use. So this is the process that right now working. So if you have facing problem from this, I hope this solution work. And if you have any more question, please let me know comment section. I will always love to help. And I also have a Discord channel in my description. You can join to our group for more discussion on this help or this problem. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.